Hello guys, welcome to Generation Unravel. In this video I'm going to be showing you how you can have a true stretch resolution on Valorant. So for the sake of this video, my laptop is a bit laggy right now, but I have to tell you I have done this before, so I'm honest when I say that the tutorial that I'm going to be showing you is something that works, okay? So I'm just going to be showing this tutorial through Google Images this time. So here we are setting up Valorant's resolution settings. So this is the Valorant resolution settings screen that you have. Alright, so of course if you want the stretch resolution, you should choose resolutions that are lower than your PC's resolution. For my example, I like to choose 4:3 resolutions as well as many other pros. So an advice would be 1 to 80 times whatever the other one was, as long as it's 4:3. And then the next thing that you should do is head over to your control panel, which you can do here. Just follow me here. Click on NVIDIA control panel. Alright. And then you should be able to see something different from this, because I'm on my laptop and my laptop does not have enough or all of the settings. The thing that you can do is, let me show you in Google Images again. This should what you should have if you're on your computer, and you need to head over to this part, which is adjust desktop size and position. After which you should arrive at this page, and I want you to just click on full screen if you didn't, and that should remove the black bars from your Valorant screen, and it should turn your Valorant resolution truly stretched. That is how you stretch your Valorant resolution. I have played Valorant for a long time, and I'm not lying, this works. I have used this again and again. I hope this video helped you. Like, comment, subscribe if you did. This is Generation Unravel, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.